Okay? This woman is the one who break his hip in the bathroom. Okay? Oh, I thought it was a stair in the building over there. Because when they were questioning me and say I walk with a cane and I didn't break my hip. When I break my hip, it's not cut off. I walk perfectly fine. I don't have no artificial leg. I walk perfectly fine. I never have a surgery. I never have an artificial leg. Okay? They did not cut off my leg, and she don't have no artificial leg. She break it and whatever she is not cut off. Nse muguradi ka sing kari ka akoloni yordo boyi kalange ka bo akono. Bitamare nse matike ka bona de. Okay? Kome yala kone kusigira ko Maria tarani ne eglise la. Ko ka selni ne ko de kumena mara wotro kono. Okay? Kolo kane berege ko kane senkari ko tige ko la fli ko ne kumena mara wotro kono ko ne bora fli ko na tarani ne eglise la ko sanlan 2009 ko na ko tarani ne eglise la ko Maria selane shuga ne nyene maka ko ne senkari len kuno ko ne wilango o ye galuni. Ne nana America sangan 2001 ndoko de wuro ka tuketa mukum ka barake kata e kolla amna ta kuntea ne senkarlen kunte ne ta kamana ka doya no JFK airport la sangan 2001 e madu wuro ko ne dona talone ko menesena vaccin hollandais ju complet ne kan imane wuro ko ka doya kuma ko meni yoro okay he Maria madre kan ne sengla ne tamatu ko meni tamati ne tina mara ide okay he mammo yoro lay ne ko romso na neti na mara mita manyo ne korom soto ko alimatu kita o ne fade ni o tene ka step ko ray kinabe mo ko be balana te fala neni ni fala anti balla okay o tene o ne bokane sengar do alma dunya ko na ne ba fe o na ne ba fe o kam ko do am okay ne baka mo ko yidum ya nyengin kan be ni okay o ne baka mo ko olu takara o fula mena o tara village la ne ko rom so Bamako balabu pale da kere fe alimatu kita bukan aku alen jene ba kuma to la ne dogon jene ba ko ya nga baraga de okay amna jene ba samundi na barala okay comme na kanga tanga so yora ba na mara wulana jana ba samgo kale na ne dogon deumne ne fama ta barla ne bama ta barla kuna ne dogon muso bintu re deumne okay alima ne bare na noyi u ya ba village la kana ne garameri ma mo ko dem san to fe amna o deum be furla amna ko kaka ne ba ko ne garameri ko kaka na ne ba fe kaka na ne ba fe ko ana on be flangli okay aka korona unyi aka na dem sanu be nyana je nyoko mesura la atna toy okay sabla ne garamere korlan aka na tay okay sabla be marip me be map me be may chedi donc be makni dem sendi musote aka na kana on fe musobi okay ola kuna na on fe donc ne fana ne fa de mbeno okay donc ali mataru ka dukulo furula yere okay ataru ka dukulo ya fruka di chema buka dukulo nen ma foko nkoro musoto ko ko alima kita ko na bubu ko na baraka dingala ko no kanga mo ko baraka dingu okay ni mo ko baraka isi ka balu okay ko awa kita bora balane baka mo ko fe ko na barala lu fe no barar kisa nu fe ko jija dumya ko tara barala dambele jiji dambele kam ko fe kanga mo ko baraka dingu ne kita rite ne madri ka do baraka dinga mais americain ne kal ne wer baraka okay ne bab me fini go sara la ke atita mo ko sote ne bab me fini go sara la Côte d'Ivoire basam Côte d'Ivoire u me da bu de folo kumba ke ku bita badal bita ko jula bu fini go bu cew ka fini mo ko ga na fini du ko so u ba ta ko bala nu na u bala jak be ni ka fini tasu okay anana malap mo ke mo ka fini di so u bita ka po nu na fini u na la jam ko du tu ka fini tasu okay okma ne bayo dabla mena ne ba tiga daga fere ne ba galado ne ba tese ne ba salmata kita bebe salmata kita do mal sana ka do tiga daga fela sana ka do jega fela amna ab me fini go sarla de kay 200 euro daw bi ayala ko ngam ko baraka di ne to koni jene ba kita mun furla Ibrahima Touré ma amana baraka de ale o kunyo o banga sodi parce que kuma bo ni yoro la ne koromuso alima ne ko mitaka koromuso ne to kan koromuso alima wole ko na koy ko ne mitaka mo ko du wele ne ko ne ka dute yene ne koromuso tela ne ben do kon koromuso de ne be ne wole ne ba wole aha o ne koromuso da wala ko bleni atoko de bleni atoko yere di alima to kita c'est ma grande sœur o mana barla ine o bango sudi ok voilà ne to kon ni abudu antara otara kata paya sifir la fe ngata paya sifir no makla firu be $100 da makalula amena asrap ne irisa si manke afriki en kalu ba sara $100 o afriki wari 50,000 francs watani ok ne maga wardi mo ko wari ne de ko wardi la ne ko me parla salon ne bu ok comme na ko luka warshi ko galu bintu tara di Western Union mo ko sisu ko la ka fene ma o ko fe comme na ko ne ka war ne ka sojo ko luka warshi ngom na ama ko warshi ne de ko ka sojo so mbe sabal bu gol fulani de taru sabal bu gol ate gol fulat gol fu kerferi ne bari to ko baka salmata kita men ne tay kelini ni batay kelini amanga so amanga dum ko yam fari tay ok kuma warda ma de ama ko warshi parce que way golun de kadala uka war ma del katun ika war ma del katun iya mo ko doy ko korom so susa iko ko korom so bomin ko me baraga den ko korom so aka baraga den ko korom so sira dusan ko amana ko ni ka ko mali ah ko mo baraga den su ko mo ko Western Union daile ko na mali ko no mali ko na baraga lu fe Western Union ko maka fara ko korom so America ko be se ka so san ko me ko baraga den korom so ne ko mai ya Abdou Abu Yechedi ok abora Bamako dan te village la de gidron ko fe anga so kerfe ibi strati ga ta gidron ko fe barake ro ni ok okay I will say that in English and French. When my brother come in and work in a mattress company and in the Western Union, they will tell people why if they hire my brother before in the job in Africa. So they tell people when I'm building the home in Africa, but my mother name is there. They say my brother stole the money. I asked my brother said no money is missing in the money over there. So they tell my brother, how can somebody be working and her sister is in the United States can build the home in Africa? My brother, I live in the United States, my brother is living in Africa. So I was working here. Okay? They say it's the money. Stop it. Okay? Stop. Everybody know what is a stop mean. Arrêtez. Arrêtez de votre comportement gêné. Ne arrêtez pas mon frère. Arrêtez votre comportement négatif. Stop your negative activity. How can you say somebody is in the United States work and send the money? So my brother Abdul Wahab Keita from same father and same mother work for you, so that means they stole your money. They always do the same thing to me. They say I steal the money, but I was not. I never mentioned them. I never pay attention to them. Why? Because I don't have nothing to do with them. But they've been doing that for a long time anyway. People can see me very well when I go work. When I go work in a shift, a lot of people work in every job I will do. I do the home care, a lot of people work in the agency. I do the PCA, a lot of people work in there. I do the home health aid, a lot of people work in there. I work in Amazon, a lot of people wonder. I work in PCA, a lot of people wonder. I work in On Track just recently. Just now, they was doing this years and years before that. Okay? Everywhere I go, even my hair salon, a lot of people was working there. I never work in any place where I was only all by myself. Nobody was around. That's not true. Alright? So they know what they're doing. They just want to sabotage you on me, right? That's why Bingini and Maramba and Fatmata Bagaga, they was arrested in a jail in Mali just last month. Because they was bullying them people. They go in the people home and see what you eat in your home. That's an exaggeration. Okay? You cannot come you see what people eating in their home? People, they don't want people to eat in the. They say they come to eat it. Come na kodoye will so do galonye. Umano line. They will go see people home. They will go send people to go act like they come to work. When you eat good food, they will ask you where you get the money and getting this food from. Hey, you be see people working. You ask them where they get the money. Eh? And you will go buy the chicken yourself and you go cook the yassa and you come on the TV and say I'm having macaroni because yassa to be ngase to be ngaso anya mola YouTube kayo. Hey, ana kamera mana kunya shima. Hey. Okay. Okay? Donc ma boy role. When I went to the immigration, I tell them I want a documentation myself. And Sheikh Fall and Mariam Fall put the negativity over there. When I find out, they will say they raped my mother and they're beating my father. I say nobody beat my father because my father never was a thief. And nobody, my mother was never, they say there was saying something to make it the immigration people feel sorry and give the documentation, but that's not true because I already tell them that I am in school. My mother is not here, my father is not here, and I was working in a hair salon. The hair is the exception, is a haram. So I want to get obtain the documentation so I can work in a halal money, officially, legally, right? So that was enough. That was something enough to obtain the paper. The school was helping me to give me the paper. Okay? They went to lie in immigration, so they must not go lie on me. Then I get up. That's why when I revolt against them, I went to the same immigration and tell them that they say that they're gonna remove it there because they remove it. They give me the green card. They remove it before my brother come. They removing system and my brother come. They say my brother have to bring with this one, and then when my brother come, they remove it. I said raping my mother. They say no. Okay, petition later. They remove it. They say that. I'm not convincing. Immigration people say they remove it. And I became a Mauritanian American nationality. I am not an immigrant. Okay? I am African child. But now I am American, Mauritanian American. It's in documentation. But I was born in Bamako, Mali. I am not an immigrant. I live in here officially legally. Okay? I am not an immigrant anymore. Okay? Okay? And je ne sais, c'est-à-dire que ils ont changé. Ils ont changé. Quand je dis que je me suis reporté que chaque fois ont mis dedans, ils ont dit qu'ils ont enlevé. Qu'est-ce que c'est enlevé? Je ne suis plus immigrant. Je suis américain mauritanien. Ok? Quand ils ont, depuis 2003, since in 2003, I've been saying that to them. They say they remove it, right? Depuis l'an 2003, moi je les ai bien dit, ils ont dit qu'elles ont enlevé. Ok? Je ne suis plus immigrant. Hein? Ok? Nous, en 2005, baflani sans sabanya kelebi, kuya wuli kabui. Ok? Sans l'an 2008, sans baflani sans chèque green card de nema. Sans baflani sans tani wolo blo neka citoyen complètement. Ok? Kayala du kono. Kataka. Ne ko kuma folo mo voye immigration mo ko ye école so mo ko do. Ok? Ok normal li. Sabla ne na bara fo tani kundigite. Meshi ni papier ti bolo a plupart ta restaurant baraw de ko be kata kundigi baraw ke. Okuma ne mata restaurant na tara kundigi bara munu ne me sogole ngono fana ko kundigi de man meshi harami. Okuma ne be faka barake papier la halalla. Okuma ne do se mai ne mata école la. Ngono na ko mena 5 se masika ke mena ta école la ka papier ni fon beso. Ok? O ina to do immigration ngono. École so mo ko de folo ko ni to do immigration ko nala. Ok? Alright? Oda ko nyana mai. Kono fo ko Mauritanie ko ne ka ke Mauritanie américain ko ko be ko ne ka betelia ka ko me ka me ka parce que ne sangele ka san flag ka san sa ba ka papier masoro ka betelia juna o ma nyo ke me ka ta fo ka bine baka. Ko ne fa ku yo buko ko fo ka ne fa te shoni ke o ma ne fa buko ka fa ma ngula. Comme ne fo ko bandu na nga so e rebelu. Ko ka ko bandi wa ko mun ye ko kan bi ne ba kan ko kan ne fa bugo ko faga ko militaire yo bo ko militaire man ne fa bugo ka faga sabla mpe mula wa ne ba bugo uma bi ne ba kan okay sabla ne ba me balole ne fa me balole e mu ko ni nga ko ya on na nga la je ko militaire bi na ko ka bugo ko militaire ma bulu ko comme na foko travail immigration na ku bi na ko faga ni ñu wole ko ni nga ko ma ko atra mo ne fo immigration e ba kala ne ba mo wole ko comme jabandu darabi ciaw bina aw kan ko na fa bo ko kan comme militaire yo bo ko na ko di galu ni ko kera ko majme e bu mana ko tra no fe jona cheki fal no fe bu ma ko kata mo ne fo abo ko mo ngera he asa 2003 ne bu kelen amne ko ne ko mamba mo so fa ate abo ibongo kele kadi ko na kele kadi kuma be ni yoro ni da maramban bingini ko kan kuma inte kabes sanne ko don kasula mo ko yoro do kasula we kota muko ko dumun naje kom na ko nul ko dumun ko diglu mako san ne ko duka solo mako vero duka solo okay san ne ko duka solo mako vero duka solo okay ok makuma bo vero la o be chogom na o ka solo ko ime chogom na okay nonu fana kan kenena ok man ngam ko chamana okay o example de okay san ne ko mudo kasula mo ko mudo kasula o man ne ko me kan complain nu ngama ne bab me ka ay ferente ne ko me ka nu shagi falle ka may ne ba ko kele kan ni ne ba kan nu ko ma fo ne ba ko kele kan ni mo ko wero u ne o me ka ken ko ke mo ko la do mudo kasula okay ne ba ka ma fo ne la may ne te faté bi ni me amerique sangeli nge 2001 ka san flake ko 2002 ka san sa ba ke 2003 ne ma dire ka fo ko mo ko do tara fo immigration ko do binam baka ko do en fa bo ko fa ma dire ko menda ni ne o dam ne 2003 iba fo ko worga ke jonne be ko ma fo no ko na ka ay ta police so la akata plainte déposer we amna ko no ma fo ipo ngona e bra tagbo am ko genna okay foka to se bima foka to ke ne nga warso ko warso ko ne so be ka tusa okay e ko so de folo kon taran ne e ko so folo de kon taran ne immigration ko na la o ko kuma mani kamana fo kanya fu ya nyama ko bina kan ko on dem sana mabina ko nsenje na na nse ma se ka foro o kuma ne fulani ameriki kundigi u be to ko de ke meshi haramente na kundigi la kamana ko bita ka barake restaurant ko bita restaurant na nita restaurant barake sabla fa ko ma ko ngata ngakalang continue nga barake ni ikata immigration nga tanyere déclarer opma e ko so tan déclarer immigration ki déclarer ka papier di mai ki ka barake légalement officiellement OK sabla fa anglais même français mais OK on va na yo de fouiller mfa ko ngatanya rira immigration mukula netara New Jersey immigration na katanya déclarer comme Amérique ube o ko fe ko so mo ko kasro kala dube comprehensive high school 2003 samba flani san saba e ko so mo ko yang to ko du okay alright ko le noy nabi ko no ko madaba anda amna tata kana noy ko amna tata noy ko le green card je ko kam muso furu muso ma kam na kanyu poso yu mina sera don muso furu kam na pa ko no kam badaro